Remember, dividing by a quarter is the same as multiplying by 4. So negative 12 times 4 is negative 48. Same thing here, just for time's sake. I'm not going to check that. But you can rest assured that it's the correct answer up there. Okay. I wonder if I could. Okay. There's a little button I can hit over here normally where I could put the answers on for you just so that you could check it, but it's okay. All right, my camera's in the way. Up you go. Now for the word problems, these are the application of the skill. So when you want to apply the skill, so in this case, we're going to decide between which cruise is the better cruise to go on. We have Redbird Cruises is $85 per day plus a one-time fee. So per day, that shows that this is the variable. This is being multiplied by multiple days. One-time fee is a constant. One time we pay this fee, that's it. No variable. King Cruises charges $100 per day plus a fee of $30. So let's look at it over here. So we have Redbird is $85 a day plus 75. We're going to write and solve an equation to determine for what number of days the charge for the cruises will be the same or equal. So we're going to set them equal to each other, $100 per day plus $30. So notice this one has a higher startup fee than this one, but this one charges more per day. So this one is more expensive the longer you go, but this one is more expensive, and this one's more expensive the less you go because you pay more up front. But the longer you go, it's cheaper. Okay? So we got to determine at what point are they the same? Are they equal? Because until that equal point, King Cruises is better. After the equal point, Redbird Cruises is better. So once we get to the equal point, we can determine this is better or this is better. This is a classic application of this skill in the business world. So which one's smaller? 85D, 100D, 85 is smaller. Get rid of that. Boom, 75 equals 30. Whoop, getting ahead of myself. That's supposed to say 15D. Hopefully this doesn't erase too much. Of course it did. That eraser on this program is not very good. Not very good at all. All right. Now, next step, undo addition and subtraction before I undo multiplication. So undo addition with plus 30 with minus 30. So we get 45 equals 15D, and you might see the answer now. The opposite of times 15 is divide 15. And you see D equals 3 days. Remember, all word problems have to have a label. This is something that comes back frequently. People forget on word problems to put labels. They just put numbers, 3, 5, 7, whatever. You got to have a label. 3 what? 3 days, $3, 3 tokens. What is it? 3 days. So 3 days is our breaking even point. If you go for 3 days, it doesn't matter what cruise you go on. If you go less than 3 days, go with King. If you go more than 3 days, go with Redbird. Okay? Pretty cut and dry. Any questions, shoot me a message on Canvas, shoot me an email, or see me on Zoom or in class. Have a great day. Do whatever it takes to dominate this lesson.